Hello and welcome to this little site creator tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to configure and modify your site's main menu, which is usually at the top of the page. As you'll see, it's very simple. Once you're in Site Creator, go to Settings and you'll find everything you need on the right to manage and organize your menu. By clicking on the Add New Page button, you can add a page to your menu, such as an informative page about who you are or the history of your company. You can, of course, rename any page you like, but remember that when you change the name of your page, you're also changing its URL. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page each time you make a change. You can also change the order of the pages by dragging them up or down, which will mainly influence the display of the pages within your menu. If you wish to duplicate an existing page in your menu, simply select the page you wish to copy and click on Copy Duplicate. To create a submenu for one of your pages, simply drag the page of your choice to the right and you'll have your submenu. If you wish to add an additional menu, you can do so by clicking on the plus that appears at the hover next to the main menu. What's more, most of the menus on offer will move with the content of the page, i.e., the menu disappears as you scroll down the page. If you wish, you can define a menu that must always be attached to the top edge. Click on Design, Menu Editor, Main Configuration, and choose In Header in the Menu Type box. And at the bottom of the page, you can activate the Fix to Top option, then save.